If you're anything like me and you love to have plants in your house, but you're really, really, really not good at keeping them alive, this could be a solution for you. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this gigantic, like seriously, look at it, this gigantic artificial plant for your house. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and honestly, my favorite thing about this is I don't have to remember to water it. I don't have to put it by a window if I don't want to. It can go wherever I want it to in my house. For right now, it's going right here. But I think I have a fun spot that I might put it in my office. I'm not quite sure yet. It's really, really nice. It's very sturdy. It does come, the leaves you can like move. They have a little wire in the bottom of them. If I come up here, I can show you. So there's like a little wire in here, so you can kind of bend them a little bit, bend them out however you want with that wire to give it whatever look you are looking for. We kind of like fluffed it out a little bit and said, yeah, we'll switch it up a little bit as it's in here. It comes with everything. Came in this nice little pot. Looks like grass down there or like moss or whatever. It's really, really cool. And again, it's artificial. I don't have to water it. I can put it wherever the heck I want in my house, which is really, really nice. Of course, you will have to dust it, but I mean, we have dogs, so we have to dust everything in this house anyway. But you could always pull the leaves out and rinse them off too if you wanted to. Honestly, this thing is amazing. My husband's cousin was over yesterday and he thought it was gorgeous. It really is. It's big. It's very well made. It looks like a plant to me. I mean, from standing back here, that's a plant in my house that I don't have to worry about dying, which is kind of nice. If you guys are looking for a wonderful, beautiful artificial plant for your home, we recommend this.